Welcome back to SAM Official Tech Asterisk, where we explore the cutting-edge technology shaping our industries. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of agriculture and how machines are revolutionizing farming practices. From autonomous tractors to precision drones, technology is playing a pivotal role in increasing productivity and sustainability in agriculture. Stick around as we reveal 17 incredible ways machines are transforming modern farming and helping to feed the world efficiently. Autonomous tractors have changed the game in farming by enabling precision agriculture without human intervention. These self-driving tractors are equipped with GPS and sensors that guide them through fields, plowing, seeding, and harvesting with unmatched accuracy. Farmers can now scale their operations, saving both time and labor, while optimizing yields. Agriculture drones are transforming how farmers monitor crops. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal sensors, drones can scan vast areas of farmland in minutes, providing real-time data on plant health, moisture levels, and soil conditions. This technology allows farmers to scale their crop management, improving decision-making and reducing the risk of crop loss. Mechanical harvesters have revolutionized the way crops are harvested, significantly reducing the time it takes to bring in crops like wheat, corn, and rice. These machines can harvest large fields in a fraction of the time it would take manual labor, enabling farmers to scale their operations while reducing costs and minimizing crop damage. Automated irrigation systems ensure that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. Using sensors and weather data, these systems adjust irrigation schedules to optimize water use. This not only conserves water but also enhances crop yields by providing plants with ideal growing conditions. With automated irrigation, farmers can scale water management to large farms, promoting sustainability. Seed drills have replaced traditional broadcasting methods, allowing farmers to plant seeds with pinpoint accuracy. These machines plant seeds at a uniform depth and spacing, improving germination rates and crop yields. By using seed drills, farmers can scale their planting operations, ensuring that every seed has the best chance to grow. Agricultural robots are increasingly being used to perform tasks such as weeding, planting, and even harvesting. These machines can work around the clock, completing labor-intensive jobs with precision and efficiency. By integrating agricultural robots, farms can scale production while reducing their dependency on human labor. Self-propelled sprayers allow farmers to apply fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides with precision, reducing waste and environmental impact. These machines use GPS and sensors to target specific areas that need treatment, ensuring that chemicals are applied only where necessary. This targeted approach enables farmers to scale their crop protection measures while reducing costs. Modern grain storage silos are equipped with automated systems for monitoring and managing stored crops. These systems control temperature, humidity, and ventilation, ensuring that grains are stored in optimal conditions and reducing spoilage. Automated silos enable farmers to scale their post-harvest operations, ensuring that surplus crops are preserved and ready for market. Robotic milking machines have revolutionized the dairy industry by automating the milking process. These machines can milk cows with minimal human intervention, improving hygiene and increasing milk production. Farmers can now scale dairy operations, maximizing efficiency and ensuring consistent milk quality. Precision planters use advanced technology to plant crops in an optimized layout, ensuring that each plant has enough space and resources to grow. These machines take into account soil conditions, moisture levels, and crop type to determine the best planting strategy. With precision planters, farmers can scale their operations and boost crop yields. Automated greenhouses use climate control systems to create the perfect environment for plant growth. Sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and light levels, adjusting them as needed to optimize conditions for crops. This technology allows farmers to scale production, growing more crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions. Livestock monitoring systems use wearable technology to track the health and behavior of animals. These systems alert farmers to any changes in health, allowing for early intervention and improving animal welfare. By using livestock monitoring systems, farms can scale their operations while ensuring that animals remain healthy and productive. Automatic feed dispensers have simplified the process of feeding livestock by delivering precise amounts of food at scheduled intervals. These machines can be programmed to adjust feed portions based on the animal's age, weight, and health status. Farmers can scale livestock operations while ensuring that animals are properly nourished. Vertical farming machines allow farmers to grow crops in stacked layers, maximizing space and increasing yield per square foot. These systems are ideal for urban farming or areas with limited land. Vertical farming machines enable farmers to scale their production, growing more food in less space and reducing the need for arable land. Bale wrappers help preserve hay and silage by wrapping it in plastic to protect it from the elements. These machines ensure that feed for livestock remains fresh, reducing spoilage and waste. By using bale wrappers, farmers can scale their forage storage, ensuring that livestock has access to quality feed year-round. Soil condition monitoring sensors provide farmers with real-time data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and pH. This information allows farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and crop rotation. By using soil monitoring technology, farms can scale their operations while maintaining soil health and boosting crop yields. Electric tractors are gaining popularity as farmers seek more sustainable solutions for their operations. These tractors are powered by renewable energy sources, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and fuel costs. Electric tractors allow farmers to scale their operations in an environmentally friendly way, helping agriculture move towards a greener future. Thank you for joining us on SAM Official Tech. As you've seen, machines are truly transforming the agricultural industry, helping farmers work more efficiently, sustainably, and at a larger scale. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-driven content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore more amazing technologies shaping the world. Until next time, keep growing with technology.